Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tata Hexa, which was launched in 2017 January, and this is the 2018 April variant. This is the top end, which is XTA, A referring to the automatic variant, which used to get the 19-inch alloys, good looking alloys. And this was the time when projector headlamps, as you can see, as well as the DRL combined with it used to started coming basically. And this variant used to get the rain sensing wipers as well as the headlamp sensors. And you can see the setup is a bit unusual from like the other cars. The wiper assembly, both the wipers move outwards, basically giving more clearance of the windscreen. And this is the side view. It is the Varicor 400 engine, which produces 400 Newton meter of torque and almost 156 bhp of horsepower. Rear also used to get the disc brakes, and LED lamp at the back also, as you can see, looks very good in at the night. Also used to get dual exhaust, which are not fake dual exhaust tips. Those are real, as you can see. This is the side profile of the car. You can see a bit of detail over here. This is a 6-seater captain seat formation. So basically both the rear seats are captain seats. I'll show you in a bit. So this is the captain seats, as you can see, with armrests, and the seat can incline, recline, as well as you can move forward and backwards. The rear seat is good for just 2 people, and also used to get cup holders, as you can see, a socket here, a USB port here, a socket here, and it has a 10 speaker JBL setup. You can see the tweeters as well on the rear doors, and there is a lot of storage space. I can show you 1 second. It is a bit of a mess behind. For example, here you can see one more cup holder. Rear AC vents are over there. Some hooks and clips here as well. Same over here, and the rear AC vents. There is a socket over there as well. So this is it, and also inbuilt blinds, which you get. So in terms of features, I guess back in 2017 Hexa got most of it. Now let's go inside the car. You can see the needles do the full swipe. It used to get a very small MID display in the console instrument cluster, which shows the basic mileage and trips, distance to empty, and which gear you are in. That is it. And there is a storage space over here. This is a cooled box actually, and this is the other one. And let's start it up. The mirrors are electrically adjustable, foldable. Also it gets the mirrors are heated as well. So basically when it rains and you have droplets on the mirror, by just pressing this button the mirror heats and the water or droplets get evaporated. And we used to get this one pinch down glasses in this. So basically if I just do this, it will go down, but not the other way around. For going up, they didn't used to give. It is for all the 4 doors, by the way, for this as well. So the best part was like infotainment is not that great, but the sound system is too good. Like even in 2025, in this price range, you cannot get such a good speaker setup. It is a 10. You get 2 woofers, one small one in the front and one in rear boot, and tweeters and speakers. So it is a 10 setup JBL speaker, what they call it. The sound system is really great. This gets a 2.2 liter engine, which is a massive engine. The car weighs above 2 ton and it produces around 400 Newton meter of torque with 156 horsepower. So it is really a tank, quite heavy to you, but when you drive you don't feel that heavy. It is still very easy to drive. It also gets a sports mode, which we will try later. No paddle shifters, but you can do the manual handling of gears through this lever only. There is a mode like we can, if we slide it like this, it goes into sport, but when you flick it, you can change the gears manually. Wait 1 second. So like you can see, it is in 2 right now. I don't know if you can see it, but if I flick it above, it will change the gear to 3. Similarly for 4. And if I pull it back, so it comes back in auto. I guess there is an alignment issue. The steering is off center. Let's try the sports mode. The gearbox is pretty responsive, even in, like, I'm back in auto drive mode. I'm not in sports mode anymore. So even when you want to do a overtake and you need an overtaking speed basically. So what you will do is just press the accelerator hard. It will give you that. 7 years of ownership, it has been driven around 94,568 kilometers, and it has been great. The mileage you get in city is around 9-10, but on highways you can get up to 17-18. You can see currently we are getting is, one second, yeah, it's around 12 right now.